Even though fruit is widely considered a healthful staple in the diet, the distinction between whole fruits and fruit juice has profound implications for liver health that are often overlooked. Whole fruits contain fiber, water, vitamins, minerals, and polyphenol that work synergistically to moderate the absorption of natural sugars like fructose and glucose. This fiber slows the passage of sugar through the digestive tract, blunting blood glucose spikes and reducing the immediate metabolic burden on the liver. When consumed as whole fruits, the liver is able to process these sugars gradually, preventing the rapid conversion of excess sugar into fat, which is a key driver of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. The antioxidants and polyphenol in whole fruits further protect liver cells by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, two critical factors in the progression of fatty liver disease. In contrast, even 100% fruit juice, which many perceive as a healthy alternative, behaves very differently in the body. Juicing removes the majority of fiber while concentrating sugars, allowing the body to absorb them rapidly. This leads to sudden spikes in blood glucose and fructose levels that are immediately routed to the liver. Unlike glucose, which can be metabolized throughout the body, fructose is processed almost exclusively in the liver, where excess intake is quickly converted into triglycerides. Frequent consumption of fruit juice, therefore, can overwhelm the liver's metabolic capacity, promoting fat accumulation and increasing the risk of NAFLD. This process is exacerbated by the fact that drinking juice does not trigger the same satiety signals as eating whole fruit, often leading to higher total sugar intake without a compensatory reduction in other caloric consumption. The dangers of excessive fruit juice consumption are not merely theoretical. Epidemiological studies have linked regular intake of sweetened fruit beverages with increased liver fat, elevated liver enzymes, and higher incidence of insulin resistance. For individuals who already have metabolic vulnerabilities such as obesity, prediabetes, or genetic predispositions, habitual consumption of fruit juice can accelerate liver dysfunction and amplify systemic metabolic risk. Even juices labeled as 100% natural are not exempt, as the problem lies in the rapid delivery and absorption of sugar, not added sweeteners. It is also important to consider the broader dietary context. Many fruit juices are consumed alongside processed foods, sugary cereals, or pastries, creating a double burden of rapid sugar influx and caloric excess. This cumulative effect can silently strain liver function over time, creating a metabolic environment conducive to fat accumulation, inflammation, and oxidative stress. Chronic liver stress of this nature may not present immediate symptoms, allowing damage to accumulate unnoticed until blood tests reveal elevated liver enzymes or imaging detects fat infiltration. From a preventative standpoint, the safest approach is to prioritize whole fruits and minimize juice intake. Eating a variety of fruits with high fiber content, such as berries, apples, and pears, allows for slower sugar absorption, better satiety, and protection against liver fat accumulation. For those who enjoy juice, it should be limited to occasional small servings, ideally diluted with water, and consumed with meals rather than on an empty stomach to mitigate rapid sugar spikes. Ultimately, the perceived convenience and health halo of fruit juice can mask a significant risk to liver function and overall metabolic health. In conclusion, while whole fruits provide fiber, antioxidants, and a controlled sugar release that supports liver health, fruit juices, even those labeled 100% natural, pose a hidden danger. Their rapid sugar absorption overwhelms hepatic metabolism, promotes fat accumulation, and increases the risk of NAFLD and metabolic dysfunction. For individuals concerned about long-term liver health, maintaining a focus on whole fruits while minimizing juice consumption is not merely advisable, it is a critical step in protecting the liver from silent, progressive damage.